We have a train coming. So I have a while since the train has been coming. Go to the gates. Here it is. Fake out. Here he comes. Turbo Center, alright. Oh, what's that? Are you kidding me? I can't believe it. I can't believe I saw that car. I gotta find it on my video. Can't believe it. I'm under. And it asks, I can't believe it. A random car local center free time. How awesome is that? I forgot. I'll have to look at it on my video when I'm gonna play a transforming hour. You're kidding me. Didn't see it in a while. Awesome right there. Why can't be the free time just got here? 330. Whoa! What a brand new supercar. Oh, it's amazing. Can't believe it. Also, the free time just got here at all. 60, going 60 mile an hour. How fast is it going? Are you 50s, 60s, 50, 60, 65? Whoa. Smoke coming out. Awesome, free time. Our folks center free time. Man, this Norfolk Center free time is huge. Oh, man. Whoa, what up? Are you kidding me? Little free beer tables at the end. I can't believe it. A random transporting hour car, I think it was, on that Norfolk Center. So it was Norfolk Center free time. Why are the gates still down? Gates are still down. I don't know what's going on here. Gates are still down, but oh, there you go. Free time goes to Elkhart, Indiana. Two goes to East Pinkerton, New York. Heads west to Elkhart, Indiana. Heads where it terminates. With a cool transporting hour on a Norfolk Center. That's a cool manifest street. On this Wednesday, July 24th, 2024, from Arrival the Trains on YouTube. I lost my phone a couple of days ago. That's my phone. That was a long time ago when I found it. I found the phone. I just found it. But let me know in the comments of the transport hour Norfolk. Comes to the next video. Roll it. Hey everybody, it is White Booth Trains here. I gotta go. I'm in the car. We gotta go to the airplane cutter because there might be another Norfolk coming. I think we have a Norfolk. So the Legions Crossing Control Norfolk. There's another train comes here. I'll put the train there. That's amazing. There's another train coming. Yeah, a lot of puddles there. Got a cop car here. Alright, gotta get out of the car. Because there might be another train. So is that our folk coming? Do we have a train yet? It's a 310 just went by. Go. Let's see what we got. Your train meet? Crazy insane. I got that little transporting hour in Norfolk. There's all 3 air tables at the end. There's not anything else coming. Is there anything else coming? Wow, police cars. Let's see. Oh, this way I go. Nope. No Norfolk. Guess I gotta go back to crossing. There's another train coming. Over there. Just see work trucks down there. Alright, I'm gonna get in the car. I can't believe a free time just went by. By the way, here comes the next video. Roll it. Hey everybody, why will the train's there? We have a bus. Roll it. Stop in front of the train tracks. Bus is gonna cross over the tracks because he might be. What is this? It might be some reason why the bus coming. What's this bus? Bus 4. Let me check it out in my comments. Bus coming. Let's see what we got. Check out the bus. It says right there. I already got a bus. It says Doorway and School Corporation. Check out Doorway and School Corporation. Let me know in the comment section of the school bus passing over the tracks. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Hey everybody, it's White Trains here. I gotta get in the car because of the Amtrak coming. Gotta get in the car here. I hear another Amtrak coming. I'll go chase him down. Where's the Norfolk Southern? Over here. Norfolk Southern. Drop my backpack. Drop my backpack on the ground. Because I have to hold him. With the other one. Yeah, freaking awful. Whoa. You know. Whoa! Are you kidding me? A white power move in Norfolk Southern. Are you kidding me? My answer was calling. A white power in Norfolk Southern. Can't believe that. The one that's train here is Norfolk Southern W16. W16. That's our 316. W16 Jason. Well, Ohio, go to second to New York for church on this Tuesday, Wednesday, July 24th, 2024, from White Roll Train on YouTube. That was amazing. A white power move on that train. Are you kidding me? Yeah, check it out my video. But let me know in the comment section of the white power move on Norfolk. Here comes the next video. Roll it. We have a Subaru here. Find this one motor. Check my motor. He's motoring. Let me know in the comments of the Subaru. Here comes the next video. Roll it.